Welcome everyone, I would like to show you how to sign into the YouTube app on your Nintendo Switch. So what I want you to do is open up the YouTube app, and then at the top left you see sign in, tap on sign in again, and then you have two options right here. Sign in on your TV or sign in with a web browser. So sign in on your TV is referring to the Nintendo Switch, so we'll just tap on this one and it should bring you to the Google sign-in page. What you can do is enter your email, password. However, what if you don't want to use, this touchscreen in order to type in your details? Because it's a bit finicky. You can see when I type text in, it's not really, giving me any feedback, so you may be struggling. Well, what you can do, go back into the YouTube application and wait for it to reload. And once it's reloaded, we're going to use the option to sign in via the web browser. So what you want to do is you want to get another device. So I have my phone right here, and this is taking a while, so I'm just gonna close out this app and then reload it. And what you want to do is you want to head over to the link. You should be able to see it on the Switch. However, it's youtube.com/TV/activate. So I'm going to tap on sign in with a web browser. You can see there's that link right here. Then you'll see here, enter this code. This code will be randomly generated. Don't enter the code you see on screen on this video. Enter the code that is on your Nintendo Switch. So what I'm going to do is I have my phone right here, and all you need to do is enter in the code that you see. So once you've entered in the code, just tap on next, and then you'll be brought to the sign-in page. So I will have to blur out my email account. However, you just want to choose which email you want to sign into, and then if prompted, enter in your Google account passcode, and then once that's done, you should be signed in to a Nintendo Switch without any issues. So hopefully this video did help you out. If it did, make sure to smash like, subscribe for brand new. Check out my playlist in the description or on the end screens right now. It covers a bunch of tips and tricks for the Nintendo Switch, so if you want to learn something new, check out that playlist. It's on the end screens or in the description down below. With that being said, see you guys later. Bye bye.